Turkish fifth-generation combat aircraft Kaan makes its first flight. Kaan, one of Turkey's most important technology projects carried out by Turkish Aerospace Industries under the coordination of the Turkish Presidency of Defense Industries, made its first flight. Kaan completed launch seat tests, full-length static tests, inertia and static tests of control surfaces, landing gear drop tests, avionics system tests in the System Integration Laboratory, fuel tests, and finally slow and fast taxi tests on the runway. In the morning, Kaan took to the runway again at Murted Airport, started its engine, and took off for the first time. Test pilot Barbaros Demirbaş sat in the pilot seat during Kaan's first flight. Kaan will be able to work jointly with platforms such as unmanned aerial vehicles, aerial warning and control, and other elements planned to be procured. Kaan will be capable of air-to-air combat with new generation weapons and precision strikes from internal weapon mounts at supersonic speed, and will provide increased combat power with artificial intelligence and neural network support. Within the scope of the Kaan program, it is ensured that the world's few test centers, such as the Lightning Test Facility, Radar Cross-Section Test Facility, and Wind Tunnel Facility, are brought to the country. This will also pave the way for increasing the processing capabilities of test data. Turkey will be one of the 5 countries in the world that can produce fifth-generation aircraft. In a statement shared on the social media account of the Presidential Communications Directorate, it was reminded that the National Combat Aircraft, Kaan, one of Turkey's most important technology projects, successfully completed its first flight today. In the statement, the following statements were made: with Kaan, which will contribute to strengthening the operational capacity of our Air Force and meeting its strategic military needs, our country will be one of the 5 countries in the world that can produce fifth-generation aircraft. In his post on his social platform on the occasion of Kaan's first flight, Jurgen emphasized that a development that will be one of the milestones of President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's vision of domesticity and nationality in the defense industry has been engraved in history. Jurgen included the following statements in his post. May the first flight of our national combat aircraft Kaan be beneficial to our nation. Through Kaan, we will bring to our country not only a fifth-generation fighter jet, but also technologies that few countries in the world possess. We sincerely congratulate all the companies that contributed to the project, especially our Thai engineers and technical teams. This is the success of the sons of our nation. We will continue to strengthen all our national steel wings, especially Kaan, and to develop fully independent technologies for the security of our nation and our friends. All the best to our country. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.